Hey, what's up everybody? This is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. And right now I've got this gorgeous 2018 GMC Yukon XL Denali. Very, very beautiful truck. It's showing as 3 owners out of North Carolina with one minor accident or incident, and it shows as damage to bumper. It does not show front or rear, and I have yet to find any paint work to be specific on which end that happened on. All the body lines look perfect. The paint is absolutely beautiful, top to bottom. Has a great matching set of Michelin tires on it. As you can see, this front wheel does have a little bit of curb rash and some scratches, but overall not too bad. No dents, no cracks, no issues there. See, the body is perfect on it. And this, of course, does have the power running boards. There we go. All right. And of course the Denali package fully loaded with all the equipment in it. Now I don't know if this has something to do with the accident or incident that they've reported, but it's missing the hitch cover there. So maybe that was bumped and they just took it off and threw it away. The only thing I can think of. And let's see here. I'll show you these other 2 wheels real quick too. This one has a little bit of peeling going on, not a lot. Again, still looks really good overall. And this one is in great shape too. So you've got 2 of them with a little bit of damage or issue, if you will, and 2 of them that are in excellent shape. The interior is in very good condition. Beautiful tan trim with the two-tone brown. This is a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It is not all-wheel drive. And it also has the 6.2 liter V8 and not the 5.3. So plenty of power, plenty of towing capabilities, and of course all the looks and all the luxury. Power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, electric trailer brake, adjustable foot pedals. And then it does have the heads-up display, which I'm not sure you'll be able to. All right, yeah, you can kind of see it flashing there at the top of the screen in the middle there. 118, 167. Of course, touchscreen radio. And you do have your little compartment back here with a USB adapter. Dual climate control, rear climate control, heated and cooled seats. Of course, backup camera. And then on the console here, so this is in good condition, not worn at all. This has the power charging station for your telephone. Another couple of USB adapters and cigarette lighter. And then of course 2 wireless headsets for the rear entertainment. Power sunroof. We can open up the rear hatch from right here. And then the original owner's manual in the glove box. Bose stereo that sounds amazing. Bucket seats in the rear. And then they fold up nice and out of your way for the rear 3rd row access. And then you've got dual televisions. And then the rear air controls and heated seats. And then more power adapters, even a was that HDMI. And tons of cargo space back here. A little extra storage underneath of the floor. And then the 3rd row is power. And you can drop the second row from back here, but it won't come back up from back here. You just gotta walk over to the door and fold it up yourself, so not a big deal. So here you have it, 2018 beautiful truck, Yukon Denali XL package. And then there's that 6.2 liter, and as you can see from here, no surface rust on any of the bolts. This is not a northern vehicle. No ticks, no knocks. So far so good. It's been a very nice truck. We've driven it, we've checked it out, we've had it inspected, serviced, and she's ready to go. So we appreciate you watching, and don't let me forget, we do have financing available. Warranty is included, and top dollar for your trades. We can also help line up shipping and delivery. So give us a call, reach out to us, let us know when you'd like to come in and take a look, or how we can help earn your business. We appreciate you watching as always, and look forward to hearing from you.